English recitation first, English handwriting first, Urdu recitation first, Urdu handwriting first. All go to Sayyid Hassan Fateh. Urdu reading first, Muhammad Asad. Examination third, English handwriting first, English essay competition first, Urdu handwriting first, Urdu essay competition first, Abdullah Khalid. Class prize third, Ehsan Laik Ahmed. Progress prize, Ahmed Hamid Awan. Progress prize, Isa Aziz Mazari. Conduct prize, Ahmed Shahab. He's had surgery. English reading second, Abdul Rahim Khan Niazi. K2B, class prize first, annual examination first, Hassan Ali Wattu. Class prize second, annual examination third, conduct prize, Urdu essay competition second, Hamad Mahmood Ayaz. Class prize third, annual examination second, Urdu reading third, Hasnain Abbas. A4A, class prize first, annual examination first, conduct prize, and Urdu essay writing second, Naushirwan Ahmed Amir. Class prize second, annual examination second, and conduct prize, Sayyid Hamza Qasim. Class prize third, and annual examination third, Shazia Jahangir. Progress prize, Ali Khan. English essay writing first, Rana Saadullah Khan. K4B, class prize first, annual examination first, recitation third, Faizan Ali Wattu. Class prize second, annual examination second, Hasif Ahmed. Class prize third, annual examination third, English essay writing second, Sadhu Zaman Admi. Art prize first, Ishan Ali. Conduct prize, Ahmed Jawad Wattu. English reading first, English recitation first, conduct prize, and progress prize, Nadir Jibrail Zaki. K4C, class prize first, annual examination first, Urdu essay writing second, Urdu reading first, Urdu handwriting first, Urdu essay writing first, Muhammad Ahmad Tajammal. Class prize second, annual examination second, English recitation second, Musa Zulfikar Ali. Class prize third, annual examination third, Malik Mujtaba Aslam. Urdu essay writing third, Azfar Shakil. Progress prize and conduct prize, Wajib Wahid Chaudhary. K4D, class prize first, annual examination second, conduct prize, English handwriting second, Urdu reading second, Urdu essay writing third, Mustafa Amjad. Class prize second, annual examination first and conduct prize, Talha Irfan Haja. Class prize third, annual examination third, Sayyid Muhammad Arzam Naqvi. Progress prize, Taimur Aftab. English reading second, Ahmad Mahmood. English reading third, Ibtihaj Hassan. Urdu recitation second, Muhammad Umar Rahman. K4E, class prize first, annual examination first, English recitation second, Sayyid Asad Zafar Haidar. Class prize second, annual examination second, Sultan Imran Hashmi. Class prize third, annual examination third, Muhammad Hamza Khan. Progress prize, Sayyid Rafi Hassan Shirazi. Conduct prize is shared by Muhammad Hussain and Hamza Ilahi. A4 class prize first, annual examination first, English recitation third, Ahmad Rabani. Class prize second, annual examination second, art prize third, English essay writing third, Ahmad Hassan Faisal. Class prize third, English essay writing third, Uzaima Hussain Khan. Annual examination third, Arsalan Ali Agha. Progress prize, Muhammad Moiz Rafiq Khan. English handwriting first, Muhammad Ahmad Khan. Urdu recitation third, Haris Arshad Bhatti. Conduct Prize Hassan Kareem Bhutta. K4G, Class Prize First, Annual Examination First, Art Prize First, English Handwriting Third, Urdu Recitation Third, Muhammad Harith Aslam Haja. Class Prize Second, Annual Examination Second, Hamza Latif. Class Prize Third, Ali Aftab Riaz. Annual Examination Third, Taha Ahmad Zakaur Rahman. Progress Prize, Shahrez Khan. Conduct Prize, Ibrahim Ehsan Khan. Urdu Reading Third, Sayyid Ali Irfan. K4H and Class Prize First, Annual Examination First, Urdu Recitation First, Ibrahim Salman. Class Prize Second, Annual Examination Second and Progress Prize, Muhammad Mustafa Abdul Rahman. Class Prize Third, Annual Examination Third, Muhammad Wasi. Conduct Prize, Munib Nasir. Urdu Handwriting Second and Progress Prize, Hamza Ijaz. Urdu Handwriting Second, Basim Khan Gandhi. K5A, Class Prize Second, Annual Examination Second, Urdu Subject Prize, Bakhtiyar Iqbal. Class Prize and English Handwriting Second,
And it was a very tragic event because General sort of went to see the bomb blast, did not know that his daughter and his son had died in the bomb blast in Shah a few years ago, and we decided that we would sort of name them award for the best leading book. I apologize to parents for the wet sort of reception the Prime Minister got, and firstly played cricket, then sort of rain stopped play, but we didn't, and it carried on, and I'm afraid some of you were left behind. So photographers, please understand that when the Prime Minister or the President comes, the security takes over everything. We have no control about what happens or who can move here or there. Congratulations, my boys, congratulations parents, and congratulations teachers. Thank you for doing so well, and remember it's very important that you, especially the juniors in fact, carry on excelling, because I don't think there will be room in this world for us if we are average or below average. To the boys, I ask you to think about tolerance. Tolerance means that if you don't know something, or people are different, or things are different, at least let them behave the way they want to behave, and you think about it. Nobody's forcing you to behave that way. And if people want to behave differently, think about it. And preferably, if you think about it, you probably say, that's all right for them. It's very important. I think I want you to think about kindness. Kindness to yourselves, kindness to your parents, kindness to your Kindness and kindness is extremely important. Do you remember what that might be? Very important. Okay. So thank you very much. Congratulations.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
Promise you all karo.
Yeah, I did. I can prove it.
Action! Get it and things. Do it again. Delete this.
Action.
Good morning. My name is Howard and I will read this reference guide to the internet.
Let's see. Yes, please.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Here's a review for you. I'm gonna please the circle.
That's it. And
Howdy. Today we will talk about the SoCal perfume. I highly appreciate the efforts of Mr. Ahmed Nadeem Saeed on compiling and preparing the reference books relying on the internet and telecommunications. No, what the sucking hell is this? Yes, here it is. No, this is not it. With bibliography.
is this even related to the perfume?
I'm not sure, but I'm gonna look. The Adventures of Winnie and Pooh, the name of the perfume, you know. Is that Madam Clear? Well, I don't care. I Wednesday, when sky blue. I have nothing else to do. I sometimes wonder if it's true that who is what and what is who. On Thursday, when it starts to freeze, a high five twinkling on the trees. I would really want to seize that are these who's but what.
This isn't working out, Kat.
Vincent, get into what's going on.
ये सामने पे घर बनने लगा ये देखो सोनिया
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for the bill. Ah, there it is. Today we will talk about football tricks. Well, there's many ways to do a chess. Some of you can do, but that's the wrong way. We prefer this way. That's the way. But many dumb people, for example, Ron Dean will do it like this. That's totally wrong because you're not supposed to do a chess. And what about the kick? When you're juggling, you never touch this part of your foot, but you touch this part. It's the perfect way to do it, and you must be a professional if you can do it. Now I will teach you the rainbow, as I call it. Get your foot here.
What is your views about Maradona, the past hero?
He was the worst bit of
Can you give us some of your please?
Well, he's a second that play, and I like to call him Maradona, as everybody calls him. But Randy Hayden.
To start. Start.
Today, we're going to learn about wrestling. First, if you want to hit your friend,
Football interference!
you have to kill yourself first. I didn't hit the ball. Now, if you want to give a two snap, first,
Football interference!
Zad, please stop.
take the ball by the legs and leave him and go away. And now, for the pin.
चलो then pin करो.
Don't wait, just wait.
Now sir, get down and put the pin on.
And now he'll have to win. 1, 2,
Okay.
3. You win.
And here's your winner from Silent Tooth Chicken Boo Boo.
Okay, now here's the Batista bomb, as you say.
Oh, there's a false bell! Can you believe a false bell?
First, take the board like this. And that's around.
False bell!
And that's around.
False bell!
And hit the board. And die.
And cut.
And we're finished. And we're. What?
I don't know.